Jiangsu Yizhi Telecommunication Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. We have deep cooperation with Hengtong, Yongding, and we supply 1.5 million kilometers of optical fiber for G657A2, G657A1 every month. We can guarantee that the quality of the optical fiber we supply is leading in the industry. The FPV optical fiber used by our customers for drone production, as well as the more high-end A2 optical fiber used for data center construction, have both received unanimous praise from our partners. Currently, we specialize in the manufacturing and sales of products in 3 major fields: optical fiber communication, integrated wiring, and data centers. Our products are widely used in various sectors such as government, finance, education, public security, healthcare, operators, data cloud computing centers, and energy, through comprehensive optical fiber cabling solutions, security cable solutions, and professional network infrastructure services. We flexibly meet the differentiated needs of customers worldwide and their pursuit of rapid innovation. Our main products include optical cables, optical fibers, optical fiber fusion splicers, small form factor pluggable SFP modules, optical fiber jumpers, network cables, and other communication products. We have hundreds of partners worldwide, and we repay our valued customers with excellent service attitude, high-quality products, and comprehensive after-sales service. The company adheres to the quality policy of technological innovation, honest service, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction. We hope to cooperate with everyone in a sincere and stable manner.